Hey guys, it's time for another porch chat. If I look grimy, I'm grimy. What's going on right there? I don't even know. But if it looks kind of dark, it is dark. There's a storm coming in. It's already raining and the wind has been crazy today. Yesterday, my hubby and I, we went to Lowe's. If you saw my Instagram or my Facebook, we went to Lowe's and I got some plants, and there's a little nursery just like right down from my house. And I've always wanted to stop there and I've never stopped. And I think I'm getting ready to get the hiccups, guys, so please excuse me. Deep breaths will get rid of hiccups. But anyway, so we stopped at the nursery, and what I got at Lowe's was I got a rose. What I got at Lowe's was a rose. I got a yellow rose for my mother, because that was her favorite flower was yellow roses. So I got a yellow rose and some hostas and a really pretty plant to put in a pot, which it's already been potted, and some hydrangeas, which I already had one hydrangea, which it needs to go in the ground like tomorrow. But they were calling for the storm. The wind's been blowing like crazy all day. I got out here yesterday once we got home and started cleaning out one of the flower beds. It's in the front. We're going to put rock. They're just little bitty flower beds. Here, I'll turn you around. There's one which I've cleaned out last week, so weeds are starting to come back up in it. And then here's the one I cleaned out today because it had one of those big old-fashioned, almost like a wild rose in it. And it was starting to spread and come out into the yard. So I dug it up, and it is now right back in here. So it'll come up. It can come up in all those bushes. I don't care. Here's my hubby's building. So what I did, this still has to get put in the ground. This is an azalea. If you guys can see, all this rock was already in here. There we go. And so I planted all these hostas. That really big hosta right here in the corner came from that one. The nursery, I already had some of the other hostas. They were in the front, and I dug those up and divided them and spread them out. Over there's the yellow rose right there. And then there's another hosta beside of it. And we're going to put more dirt on this and some of that black mesh weed retardant fabric stuff that you put under. And that's what we're going to do to the little front ones, is put the black mesh down, some weed killer, and it's going to just have rock in it. And we've already got the rock over here. And then we're going to put some black fabric around these plants. That's what we're thinking. I don't know yet. But I know we're going to put some more rock down. And we'll probably get some more of these edgers and just take it all around the porch and make that like one big flower bed there. So I'm really excited. And over here, that one we got at Lowe's. But see, it's raining. It's raining. So there's a big storm getting ready to come in. But I got that one rose dug up, and that was a bitch. Let me tell you, that one rose was a bitch. The red rose that you saw there, it's been there. This red rose. 3 years, because my mom gave me that rose the year that she passed away. It was either for my birthday or for Mother's Day, because my birthday's in April and Mother's Day's in May, and I can't remember which one it was she gave it to me for. It's April or May. It was birthday or Mother's Day, I don't remember. But so I want this whole section to like fill in with hostas, because hostas get really big, and especially that one. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 6 varieties of hostas in there right now. Can you hear the rain starting to come in? I love being outside when it's raining. But yeah, this real big one right here in the corner, this one, that guy's huge. And so there's like 5 or 6 varieties in there right now. And she said she has over, the lady that had the nursery, she has hundreds of different varieties of hostas that she can get at her actual farm where they grow everything. So I'll probably be grabbing a few more hostas. I don't know yet if I will do these front beds hostas. But right now I'm just going to do rock in there and weed killer, because we have whatever this weed is, it's down here on the walkway. It just takes over everything. And but it's not so bad over here in the corner. It's just around the front and down the walkway. And it's got really pretty little purple flowers on it, but it just takes over everything. So that's what I have been doing the last couple of days. That's why you've not really seen me much. We have been kind of out in the yard, just getting some yard work done. And I've just been kind of chilling. So I'm glad it's raining, which means I don't have to come back out here and water all this stuff. There is a solar light that came apart and the battery is worn out in it yet. I don't know what I want to. I'm going to repurpose that somehow. I don't know exactly how yet, but I am going to repurpose that. But yeah, I got an azalea here. I got this pot right here at Lowe's yesterday because it goes really good with this pot here, which I've had this pot for a couple of years and I just keep putting new things in it. And then my teacup pot, there's O'Malley's brush. This bookshelf, or this plastic shelf, is going out Ronnie's building, or it's going somewhere. I don't know where. But this one, see, it's a cup with a saucer. And these I started from seed. I just put in there. These are Johnny Jump Ups and pansies. So that's what those are. But what I figured is once I rock in these front flower beds, I can set pots in there. And that way we can put weed killer down, but my flowers are in pots, so they're not getting harmed by the weed killer. That's my thought process. I don't know yet if that's going to work out, but I'm so happy about this little corner over here now. It's so much prettier. And I wanted to get new carpet down, because see where it's coming up right here on the edge? This new outdoor carpet on the porch. I want to get new carpet. And we're going to get gravel for the driveway. And we've got to get some new ditches dug. So we'll see how all that goes. What are y'all doing? I know there's a lot of people right now, since they have time at home, they're doing home projects. They're working in their homes. They're working outside in their yards. And we're doing it too. We're not spending like a ton of money, but you know, a few plants here and there, and it's plants that are going to come up next year. So it's not just, you know, an annual that you have. You pay $10 for an annual in a pot, and you enjoy it for this year, and then next year you got to spend another $10 on an annual in a pot. I like getting perennials that come back every year, so they're there, and especially like hostas, tulips, anything that's a bulb, or anything like that. Which hostas are not a bulb, but they still they grow in size, so that like in another year or two you can divide that up and have 2 plants instead of 1, and you can spread them. So because I have one down there I could have broke up, but I didn't. I did have one I broke up, but there was another one, the one beside the rose bush, this big boy right here. I could have broke him up, but I didn't, because he's just too pretty right now, and I wasn't gonna break him up. But I'm so happy with my flower bed. It's not finished, but it's getting there. and my yellow rose. Oh my goodness gracious. Right now, a couple of those hostas look really puny because they just got put in the ground and they need this rain that's coming down. Oh. So yeah. Ooh, it's starting to get kind of chilly too. Everything is so green. Is it not amazing how you look outside and everything is still just barren and the grass is brown and everything is just still so kind of lonely and dreary looking, and then one day you see little green sprouts coming on the trees and you're like, spring's almost here. And then all of a sudden everything is just green. Now if you have allergies, I know you don't want to see that green. But it's beautiful. Down here is the rock. There's a basket I was carrying my plants around in. There's the rock. And there's the hydrangeas. There they are. I got 2 hydrangeas that are going to go out. I don't know where yet though. I don't know where I'm going to put them. Maybe in the back. I don't know. But that's what's been going on with me for the last couple days. We've been digging in the yard. So it's getting cool. Let's go inside. But that's it, guys. Let me know down below. Let me take my hat off. Yes, that's outside of hat head. Go get me a shower here in a little bit. Let me know down below what you guys have been doing. You've been doing some painting. You've been doing spring cleaning. You know, some fixing up in. You've been working out in the yard. Hey, Mr. Sam. You want to look outside? Are you looking outside? Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching and just chit-chatting with me and catching up. Our stay-at-home order is done May 8th, unless by any chance he extends it, which I don't foresee him extending it because so many people are protesting it right now. You know, so I may be going back to work soon. Lord. But, yeah. Let me know. How's it going in your world? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.